Good morning, children. We have studied a new lesson from your ninth class. We should learn, or we have studied about a new lesson from the ninth class. Europe in the Middle Ages. Europe in the Middle Ages. Now we have studied about the decline of Roman Empire. How the Roman Empire began to decline, then we have learned. How the Roman Empire began to decline. During 395 CE. During this period, up to this time, only one Roman Empire was there. Only one. Up to this time, only one Roman Empire was there. Only one Roman Empire was there up to this time. Then what happened? During 395 CE period, Roman Empire was divided into Western Roman Empire and Eastern Roman Empire. Roman Empire was divided into. It was Western Roman Empire and Eastern Roman Empire. Roman Empire was divided into two, Eastern Roman Empire and Western Roman Empire. Up to 395 period, what I told, only one Roman Empire was there. But during this time, 395 period, what happened? During 395 CE period, Roman Empire was divided into, that is Eastern and Western Roman Empire. During this period, what happened? In the land of Europe, Rome was providing leadership, or Italy was providing leadership to the European nations. During this period, Europe was known as the period of Dark Age. This was known as the period of Dark Age. Dark Age was divided into the beginning of Dark Age. The beginning of Dark Age. The middle part of Dark Age. And later period of Dark Age. What is mean? Dark Age was divided into three groups. Actually, what was the meaning of Dark Age? During this period, common people had no freedom. So that this period was known as Dark Age. No intellectual development was there during this time. No type of or no kinds of intellectual development was there in Europe during this period. No intellectual development was there in the land of Europe during this particular time. Intellectual development was not at all there. Intellectual development was not at all there during this particular time. Intellectual development was not at all there in Europe during this time. So, intellectually, this period was a dark period. Dark period means common people had no freedom in front of the rulers. Common people had no equality before other people. So, intellectually, this period was a period of darkness. Darkness is really compared to that of ignorance. Darkness was there in the land of Europe during this particular time, darkness. Darkness was there in the land of Europe during this particular time in the land of Europe. Then, in the land of Rome, patricians were free. Patricians were the rich people. Or the landlords of Rome. And Senate was there, Senate. Senate was there in the land of Rome. Senate was the name of an assembly of patricians. Patricians were the rich landlords who had more influence in the Roman society. And the poor people were known as plebeians. Poor people were known by the name plebeians. Plebeians had no rights of their own. Plebeians had no rights of their own. Then what happened? It was the patricians who made their, it was the patricians who made their domination over which place? Rome as a country. Then patricians had more control over the upper part of Roman society. Patricians had more control over the upper part of Roman society. Even the priestly class and the ruling class supported the patricians only. And slavery was there in Rome. Slave system was there in the land of Rome during those days. Slavery or slave system was there. What is the meaning of slavery or slave system? Slavery or slave system means, what is the meaning of this one? We have to know. Slavery or slave system. What is mean by slavery or slave system? We have to know. What is the meaning of this one? We don't know nowadays what is meant by slavery. Slavery existed in India also during the older days, not now. And slavery existed in majority of the European countries so many years before. Not only European country, in the land of South America, North America, Africa, Asia, Australia, etc. Slave system existed. Now we are selling and purchasing cow, bullock. We are selling and purchasing. We are selling and purchasing sheep and goats. If you have enough money and facility, we can sell and purchase elephants also. Some people do have elephants in their house. There is one specialty. Then, what is that? Now, in your house, you may be keeping dogs. Not ordinary dogs. Dog rearing is an important business nowadays. Dog rearing is more in the land of Bangalore. From the land of Bangalore, dogs are being sent to different parts of the world. Those people who are rearing dogs are making enough money. People are selling and purchasing dogs. They are selling and purchasing dogs. There is a speciality of dog rearing. In your house also there you may have dogs. Then slavery was such a system. Slavery is selling and purchase of human beings like animals. I told you an example now. We are selling dogs, puppies we are selling. Here in Mudor also people do have the habit of keeping dogs in their house. Sometimes they are also keeping puppies in their house. They are also keeping puppies in their house. They may sell puppies to other people according to the quality of puppies. Some puppies may have 10,000 rupees. Some puppies may have 25,000 rupees. It may be different from place to place, and it may be different from size of the dogs. Like that. Though in the olden days in Europe or in the land of Rome, slavery was there. Common people suffered a lot, both mentally and physically. Sometimes one slave may be the asset of a master. On the shoulder of the dog, on the shoulder of the slave, an identity card will be there, like this time by time. On that identity card it was written the name of the slave and the master of the slave. That means slaves had no particular identity of their own. They were known in the name of their master. Sometimes the master may beat the slave. Sometimes they may beat the slave. Sometimes the master may use bad words in front of the slave. Bad words they may use in front of the slave. Such practice was there in the land of Europe and in the land of Roman Empire. And they were asked to do hard works. The slaves were asked to do hard works. The slaves were asked to do hard work during this particular time. They were not given enough food to eat. The slaves were not given enough food, whether nutritious or not. They worked like animals in the land of the master. And in the land of Europe, so many artistic developments were there. In the land of Europe, so many artistic developments happened. All those artistic developments happened in the land of Europe, mainly because of the hard work of slaves. Understood now? Majority of the artistic developments were made by the slaves for their masters. Then, majority of the literary developments, happened in the land of Europe, mainly because of the hard work of the slaves. And architecture. Then how architecture was developed in the land of Europe, we have to think. What is the meaning of architecture also we have to think? Architecture. Architecture is the art of or science of making buildings. I told this one to you people more than 10,000 million crore time I had told you. Understood now? Yes. meaning of architecture. Architecture is the art of making buildings. Imagine that your house is a small one, 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 dining hall, 1 sit out and 1 work area. Not so big. In your house, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, and you 3 brothers are there, 1 sister also. When you people were very small, you are living all together in 1 room. 3 brothers and 1 sister, you are sleeping in 1 room. And father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, they are living in their own rooms. But now you have grown up. 3 brothers are already married. They have 2 children each. Sister also is married. Sister is living in another house. Now you want a very big house to live. You are thinking that. Now you are thinking that you want a very big house to live. All the 3 brothers, their wife and children, they want 1 separate room. You want a very big house. You may approach an engineer or architect who is able to provide a house for you. First of all, he will make a plan on a paper, or in the computer he may make a plan. Then what will be there? He is known as architect. He will tell to your father that in order to make this house, you want 50 lakh rupees, 55,000. And in the hands of your father, 50 lakh rupees there. Then your father will suggest some changes in the plan. Then the architect or engineer will say that if you want to make some changes, again we want 20 lakhs. Father will say that no problem, I have 50 lakh in my pocket. 20 lakh rupees I will take as a loan from the nearby Canara Bank, for example. They will take loan from the nearby Canara Bank. So within 1 year, you made 1 house. The person who made the house is known as architect. You spend the money, there is other things, but the idea is that in the mind of the architect or in the mind of the engineer, that is known as architect. In the land of Europe, you at least might have seen a picture in the cinema or in television serials or in national geographic channels also you might have seen, or in different foreign channels you might have seen huge buildings which were made so many centuries before in the land of Europe. We may wonder how did they make those buildings, very big churches. We can see very big churches which were made so many centuries before in Europe. Only slaves worked there, without understanding the specialities of day and night, without understanding the difference of day and night. What happened? They worked to make such churches. Some of them died during the construction of the churches. Some of them met with so many accidents during the time of construction of the churches. So many famous masjid can be seen in Europe. Masjid means Muslim religious places. Those places, those buildings have very big domes and pillars. It was the slaves who made those buildings. Understand now? Yes. And so many canals were made in the land of canals. So many canals also were made in the land of canals. Nowadays it is not a difficult task to make a canal. I have seen, you also might have seen how the canals are made nowadays. JCB is there, bulldozer is there, modern construction weapons or instruments are there. We can make a canal without spending or without using more human labor. But the case during so many years before was different. There only human labor was using for the construction of the canal. Only human labor was using during the olden days in Europe. So many canals they made with human labor, and so many bridges they made. So many bridges they made with human labor. So many bridges they made with human labor. Only slaves worked there. Only slaves were working there to make those bridges. Only slaves. Only slaves worked there to make those bridges. Slaves only worked there to make those bridges. Slaves worked there. Slaves. To make those bridges. Then, so many auditoriums they made. So many auditoriums they made with the help of slaves. This was a condition during the medieval period in Europe. Auditoriums. When we are seeing some buildings, we may wonder how they kept those stones there at the top of the building. How they made this kind of pillar, dome, or minar at the top of the building, we may wonder. Only it was the slaves who made all those construction work or architectural work. We may wonder. So, slave system helped the land of Europe to develop. Then, we have learned about feudalism. Charlemagne was the ruler of Rome during the time. Charlemagne was a very powerful king. Charlemagne. And during the time of Charlemagne, slave system was continuing in its power. Slave system. And during the time of Charlemagne, what happened? During the days of Charlemagne, Rome began to develop, but after the death of Charlemagne, anarchy began to develop. After the death of Charlemagne in the land of Rome, anarchy began to develop. After the death of Charlemagne, anarchy began to develop in the land of Roman Empire or in Europe. What is the meaning of anarchy? You should know, children. Anarchy means the absence of a ruler, that is anarchy. The absence of a very good ruler is known by the name anarchy. In the land of India, we have a government. The head of Indian executive is known as Indian President. Indian President is the head of Indian executive, Indian President. president is the first citizen of India. Indian president is the commander of all the three military forces. He is a commander of Army, Navy and Air Force. Who? Indian president. He is a commander of Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. All the bills which are passed by Indian Parliament must be accepted or signed by whom? Must be accepted or signed by Indian President. After Indian President, Vice President is there. In the absence of Indian President, Vice President will discharge all his duties. Then, that is one specialty. Then, Prime Minister is there. Prime Minister is the head of Lok Sabha, Indian Lok Sabha. The real administrator of India, is the President, Prime Minister of India. Along with the Prime Minister of India, there are so many ministries also. That is the condition of India. Prime Minister can change the ministries according to his convenience. At any time, Prime Minister can change his ministries. That is the speciality of Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister. So, in the land of India, anarchy is not there. Anarchy is a condition in which there is absence of a ruler. During the time of this anarchy, what happened? Robbers began to exploit the situation. During the time of this anarchy, robbers or thieves began to make use of the situation. Robbers or thieves began to take everything from the house of other people. There was no security. There was no security for the life of the common people in the land of Rome and Europe. Murder was a common incident in Europe. Murder. And murder attempts were there. There was no security for the life, property of the people of Europe. During this time, feudalism developed in the land of Europe. Feudalism. What was the speciality of feudalism? That we have to think. What was the speciality of feudalism? The entire land will be under the control of landlords. The entire land will be under the control of these people, landlords. Landlords will not cultivate in the land. Very landlords or Sangindas will not, these people, landlords, will not cultivate in the land. They will give their land to small landlords. They will cultivate in the land of small landlords. They will give that land to small landlords. They will give land to the farmers. They will give land to the small farmers. Cultivators. The cultivators had no rights over the land. As long as they are giving the tax to the landlords, they can continue on the land. More and more tax was levied by the landlords from the farmers. More and more tax was levied by the landlords from the farmers. The farmers led a of miserable life. All types of exploitations were done by all kinds of exploitations were done by landlords over the poor farmers. That was the condition. All types of exploitations were done by the poor farmers. All types of exploitations were done by landlords or the poor farmers. Majority of the workers in the agricultural land under feudalism were from the slave community. Dear children, once more I will tell you listen here. We are studying about a new lesson from our history part. Europe in the Middle Ages. This part we are studying. Europe in the Middle Ages. This part we are studying. Europe in the medieval period or in the Middle Ages. Europe in the medieval period or in the Middle Ages. Now we are studying about decline of Roman Empire. Roman Empire was one of the biggest, powerful and greatest empires which Europe had ever seen. Roman Empire. Up to 395 CE period, what happened? Only one Roman Empire was there. During 395 CE period, Roman Empire, a single Roman Empire, was divided into two parts. That is, Western Roman Empire and Eastern Roman Empire. Roman Empire was divided into, that is, Western Roman Empire and Eastern Roman Empire. It was divided into which one? It was divided into two. And during this period, Europe was known as Dark Age. What is the meaning of Dark Age? Dark Age does not mean that there was no sunrise. Sunrise was there. The meaning of Dark Age is intellectual darkening was there. Intellectual darkening was there in the land of Europe. Intellectual darkening was there in the land of Europe. What is the meaning? Common people were not interested in studies. Or rich people and rulers did not allow the common people to study. Rich people did not allow the common people to study. This period was known as which period? Dark Age. This period was known as Dark Age. Later, Dark Age was divided into Dark Age. Later, Dark Age was divided into, that is, beginning of the Dark Age, middle of the Dark Age, and later Dark Age period. Dark Age was divided like this into three periods. In the land of Rome, Semindars or rich people were there. Semindars or rich people were there. They were known as patricians. And their assembly was known as Senate. The assembly of patricians were known as Senate. Senate was assembly of patricians. Common or poor people of Rome was known as plebeians. Plebeians had no freedom or no rights of their own. And patricians had control over the upper class of the Roman Empire. Over the upper class, patricians had their own power. Even the rich people, rich merchants, and clergy people also supported patricians. In the land of Europe, in the land of Rome, slavery was common. Gulama system. What is the meaning of slavery? Now we are purchasing and selling animals. But during the olden days in the land of Europe, rich people were purchasing and selling human beings like animals. Now we cannot imagine this type of system. Now we cannot imagine, or now we cannot think of this kind of a system. But during the olden days in the land of India and other parts of the world, slavery or slave system was there. People were purchased and sold like animals. Or around the neck of a person, one identity card was there. On that identity card, what was there? On that identity card, the name of the slave was written. And the name of the owner of the slave was also written. It was written that this particular person is the slave of this particular person. Sometimes the master of the slave used to beat the slave. Sometimes the master of the slave used to say bad words to the slave. Both physical and mental torture was there from the part of the master of the slave. Hard work. What is specialty? The slaves were asked to do hard work in the estate or the industry of the master. They were not given very good food also. Then what happened? In the land of Europe, so many artistic development happened. So many literary developments happened, so many architectural development happened. All these developments happened mainly because of the slaves of Europe. We may wonder by seeing so many buildings which were made in Europe during the medieval period. All those buildings were made only because of the work of the slaves. Everything was made with the work of the slaves. Then what was that? During those days, if the slaves were not ready to do such works, they were beaten by the master, sometimes they were killed by the master. They made so many churches, mosques, and auditoriums, bridges, canals, etc. with the help of the slaves. Feudalism. Charlemagne was a famous Roman king. Charlemagne. He was a famous Roman king. During the time of Charlemagne, Roman Empire was prospered, far better than any other empires in the world. But Charlemagne died. After the death of Charlemagne, what happened? After the death of Charlemagne, what actually happened? After the death of Charlemagne, the situation in Europe began to change. What happened? Charlemagne was a very powerful ruler. After Charlemagne, anarchy began to prevail in the land of Europe, especially in the Roman kingdom. What is the meaning of anarchy? Anarchy means absence of a ruler. Absence of a ruler is known as anarchy. Absence of a ruler is known by the name anarchy. When there was the absence of a ruler in the land of Rome and the land of Europe, robbers began to rule. Robbers. Thief. Robbers or thief began to take money and other items from the house of whom? from the house of rich people. They began to take money and other things from the house of the European people. Anarchy was there. There was no protection for the life and property of the European people. European people or the people of Europe were living under continuous threat. They were living under continuous threat. That was speciality of Europe. During this time, a new type of or a new form of system developed in the land of Europe. A new system began to develop in the land of Europe during this particular period. A new system. A new system began to develop in the land of Europe. That system was feudalism. Under feudal setup, the entire land of the nation or country will be under the control of feudal lords or rich people. It may be under the control of feudal lords or rich people. They will not cultivate the land. They will give the land to some small landlords. Small landlords will give the land to the farmers cultivate. Farmers had no right or control over the land. Farmers had no right or power over the land. Farmers. They had no right or power over the land. What they were doing? They were working like slaves. And landlords were collecting huge amount of money as tax from the poor farmers. This type of a system was known as feudalism. Dear children, you watch this video. Read the same topic in your textbook. If you do have doubts, call me in person.